Cantier MES X.0, the future of manufacturing execution systems. Data collection parameters. Define every quality parameter with precise type and classification in process, equipment, dimension, and weight, all configured for accurate data capture. Data collection parameter sets. Group quality parameters into reusable sets. Wave checker, dimension, inspection, and more. Assign the right combination to every process for consistent data collection. Sampling plan setup. Define sampling type, frequency, and escalation thresholds for every quality dimension. Stratified and random sampling fully configured for statistically valid quality control. Built for manufacturers, designed for results. Chart configuration. Configure SPC control charts for every critical to quality dimension. X-bar R, IMR, and C chart, fully set up for real-time statistical process control. OCAP template setup. Define out-of-control action plans with severity classification. Medium severity template configured for dimension A, ensuring fast and consistent corrective action response. Built for manufacturers, designed for results. Data collection captures every SPC transaction with transaction number, parameter type, timestamp, and data source. Complete traceability at every step. SPC dashboard gives real-time visibility into all quality metrics. Monitor control charts, KPIs, and violations from one powerful view. Control chart viewer displays UCL, mean, and LCL lines in real time. Instantly detect out-of-control points before quality escapes occur. SPC test violations automatically flags statistical rule breaches. Nelson and Western Electric rules applied. OCAP, out-of-control action plan, guides operators with predefined steps to resolve quality violations quickly and consistently. SPC event details provides complete audit trail. Event type, timestamp, operator, and measurement values all recorded for full compliance. Checklist execution guides operators through structured quality checks step by step. Digital confirmation eliminates missed steps every shift. Checklist approval. Supervisor, digital sign-off, closes the quality loop. Full accountability, zero paperwork, complete compliance at every stage. Cantier MES X.0, driving quality excellence across your enterprise. Built for manufacturers, designed for results. Welcome to CAPA setup in Cantier MES X.0. This module brings together everything you need to configure corrective and preventive actions, from category classification to impact assessment, root cause analysis, and effectiveness verification. Category Master allows you to define and organize CAPA categories for systematic issue classification. Group issues by type, ensuring consistent tagging and faster reporting across your quality system. Impact Master helps you assess and prioritize quality issues based on their business impact level. Critical, major, minor, or negligible. Every issue gets the right level of attention. Problem Analysis Dimension provides a structured root cause analysis framework for quality issue resolution. Classify problems across man, machine, material, and method to drive systematic investigation. Effectiveness criteria. Master defines how you measure the success of corrective actions. Set verification criteria up front, ensuring every CAPA is closed only after its effectiveness is confirmed. And it all connects to the SPC and onboard, your real-time visual command center. Instantly see quality status across your shop floor, with CAPA actions linked directly to live production alerts. This is Cantier MES X.0, driving quality excellence. CAPA workflow brings the entire corrective and preventive action process together, from source and severity to category, type, and completion status. Track every CAPA from creation to closure, with full visibility on target dates and completion timelines. This is Cantier MES X.0, driving quality excellence. Complete quality management system combining SPC monitoring and CAPA workflow. SPC catches quality deviations. CAPA workflow drives corrective and preventive actions. Together, complete